what is the ballpark of cost of patenting? See, it roughly it depends on in what country that you are filing, and what is your it depends, and also depends on from your attorney to attorney, right? But roughly speaking, it it starts with something around 70 to 80,000 rupees for a good patent. Of course, in India, you can get, of course, services at any price, of course. Uh, so the typical range is 40, 50,000, say, to 1 lakh rupees, depending on who you are talking with, right? So, and depending on what kind of technology that you have, what is your vision on that technology, whether you are only going to restrict it with India, are you going for other countries also? A lot of customizations and a lot of factors are there. But if you want a ballpark, I think that's a fair ballpark, that you can put a cost of around 50 to 1 lakh rupees, just as a kind of budgetary provision.